Hey, this is my screencast for CS50w final project. So for the final project, I have built an app that is called WhereAndWhen, which is the app that will save all your visited trips and planning for the upcoming trips. So now I will log in my account. And this is the main page where you can add the visited or unvisited trip. So I will add like New York. I will choose country. Then this option is optional. I will choose date. I will mark it as visited. So I will say I visited New York last month. Okay. And now like Ho Chi Minh City. I will not choose the country now. The date is today. Add trip added, and now add like San Francisco. I plan to go to San Francisco in the next week. Add trip added, and now I can see all my trips that I added here in the My Plans tab. It will be short in the by date. So if I click in this, you can see the status here that I visited 21 days ago. And likewise, if I click in Ho Chi Minh City, it will say I'm visiting today. And if I click in San Francisco, it will say 9 days to go. And if I add a duplicate trip, which is the same names, the same city name and the same date, a model will pop up and say failed. This trip is already exists. Okay, so now I will go to the details. You can see here is displaying the current weather of the destination here. This is the real-time weather. So now I will have the option to like edit the date. I will say I want to edit Ho Chi Minh City here at this time. Edit, yes, and the date will update and the status will update too. And I can take some notes here, like if I want to go on a trip, I want to bring some money, I want to bring some clothes, and blah blah blah. And here I can save. After I save, a model will pop up and say notes update successfully. And if I get back there, you can see that the note is still here. It will have been saved. Okay, so now I have an option to delete the trip too. I can click delete, and yes, and now the trip is deleted. So that's kind of all of the functionalities in my program. Now I will go to the here's the mobile responsive mode. So you can see that my app is mobile responsive for every feature in the app, like the app, my plans, and even the details. Here I can edit. I will input some dates, edit, and I can take some notes like bring money, blah blah blah. I can save, note update successfully there. So I will delete the trip. Yes, okay. So that's all of my project. So about the complexity and distinctiveness. Okay, about the distinctiveness, this is entirely different from the e-commerce because this is not have nothing to do with the e-commerce project. And even the network, this is not a social media, this is a trip manager app. And about the complexity that I have to deal with a lot of asynchronous function. I have to deal with the external API to fetch the weather information, and I have to place like the order of the function so it won't conflict with each other. So it's kind of complex compared to the previous project. So that's all. Thank you.